Good morning. I wanted to shoot our first video. We're up and moving, and we're having a good time for ourselves. We had two little escapees. Don't worry, they're just making puppy noises. Mama's right here. She'll be right back in for another feeding, so don't worry about that. You can see they look all fresh-faced and chubbly. Good morning. Good morning. This is our little gray banded friend, and he was our first escapee. Oh, here comes another. Oh, come on, Squunchy, you can do it. I'm hoping that they make their little coo noises. Oh, those are about the cutest. We got our little friend Winston's only friend to sleep in the middle of the chaos. Oh. Oh, I know. You want to come out? Come on. You can do it. Come on, Mommy. You blocked right by into my whole view. There we go. Oh, we're blurry now. There's Winston up and moving. Oh, now we all got to get pile into the corner. That's what we do. You notice we have two piles. Well, that pile just broke up a little bit. Oh, I love your little faces. You can walk right over that, you silly billies. I'm waiting right here for you to come on out. They're just being cute. What, Squunchies? What? Come on, you can do it. If Jeannie Beanie can get out, you can get out, because she's the littlest. Oh, be careful. If you're flipping Jeannie. What? You can come out. There it goes. There's the cry. There's the cooing. They could also go under the bar should they choose, but they're choosing not to. This is why we will probably be moving strictly to videos, because as you can tell, sitting still is not their strong suit.